Hello, how are you? In this tutorial, we'll learn how to draw a bunny from 99 Nights in the Forest. Okay, for this rabbit, we'll first make a rectangle for the face. Now inside, we make two L letters for his eyes. And we make another rectangle for the nose. Next, we draw the hind legs. Great! That would be it for the bunny from 99 Nights in the Forest. Thanks for watching the video until the end. If you'd like me to draw a character, feel free to leave it in the comments. I send my best regards to everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.